Hey guys, I'm very happy today because I'm making my first long video facing the camera for the first time and I'm super excited. The current pandemic situation makes me very sad. The story she narrated me last week was very good. Last Sunday I visited my friend's house and I must tell you her house was very big and her collection of ancient coin was absolutely very interesting. Yes. This is exactly what we do. Whenever we have to describe any adjectives or quality of anything, we often use the word very. And when we do so, our English sounds very normal or basic. There are many such words and vocabularies which you can replace with the word very. And when you do so, trust me, your English will sound much better and advanced. So today I am going to tell you 5 such words which you can use, and please don't forget to write comment of your own using these words or vocabulary. It will help you to improve your English. So are you ready? Let's get started. So the first one is very sad. How about using of distress instead of very sad? Now the meaning of distress are unpleasant, difficulty, upset or great pain. So instead of saying I am very sad today, you can say I am distressed. The coronavirus pandemic is causing widespread concern, fear and stress, which causing me distress. It was so distressing to see people losing their loved one during this pandemic. The food I had in the party is causing me distress on my stomach. See, just by replacing the word very with the word distress, you actually sound very advanced. So try to implement these words. Now the second word is very happy, which I wish everyone should be. But how about using the word thrill instead of very happy? Now the meaning of thrill is the feeling of excitement, pleasant and joy. So instead of saying I was very happy to see my friend after 2 years, you can say I was thrilled to see my friend after 2 years. I was thrilled to receive a new phone from my mom. In the next vacation, we are planning to go for water rafting and I am super thrilled about it. The audience were thrilled to see his performance. You always make me so thrilled. Now the third word is very perfect. How about using the word flawless instead of very perfect? Now the meaning of perfect means something without imperfection or fault. Instead of saying that he is very perfect, you can say he is flawless. Most of the motivators, they always deliver a flawless speech. I always want to be flawless in whatever I do. Or how can someone be so flawless? Now the fourth word is very huge. Instead of very huge, you can use the word massive. Now massive means something very big, heavy or large. Instead of saying I had a very huge crush on her, you can say I had a massive crush on her. All the big hotels, they have a massive and lavish rooms. There was a massive crowd protesting against the government. Shah Rukh Khan has a massive fan following. The fifth word is very interesting. Instead of very interesting, you can use the word fascinating. Meaning of fascinating is inclination towards something. Instead of saying Indian music are very interesting, you can say Indian music fascinates me. The view from the mountain really fascinates me. The book I read last time was fascinating. I always find the nature beauty fascinating. Last movie I watched was not at all fascinating. So friends, I hope you have learned 5 new words today. That is distress, thrill, massive, flawless and fascinating. So with this we have come to the end of this video and I hope you really appreciate this video of mine. And if you do like, share and subscribe my channel. Until then, stay home, stay safe.